welcome you aboard Qatar Airways 001 from Doha Hamad International Airport, flying direct to London Heathrow. Well, we're starting our engines within the next 10 minutes. We can expect an on-time departure, just waiting for the last bit of bags to be loaded. And then we'll be on our way. We'll be departing from the southerly runway, which will take us about 15 minutes of taxi time. And once we get airborne, we'll be making a right turn setting course. We've got a flying time of little under 6 hours and 50 minutes, and we'll be cruising initially at an altitude of 38,000 feet, and thereafter climbing up to a final cruising altitude of 40,000 feet. The weather en route is forecast at clear skies all the way. However, we do have some strong winds forecasted for our route, which may cause some bumpy conditions from time to time, so we do advise you to have your seatbelts fastened right throughout the flight for own safety. The weather for London is forecasting some cloudy skies, some winds from the west with a temperature of around plus 15 degrees Celsius, with a chance of some light rain for the time of arrival. Our route of flight will be displayed here on your screens in front of you, and I will have a little chat with you just before we send the update of arrival and the latest weather into Heathrow. In the meantime, make yourself comfortable and enjoy the flight with us. Again, ladies and gentlemen, it's good to have you with us this morning. Thank you.
The Onboard Alliance, Captain Ramesh and our team of cabin crew, it's our pleasure to welcome you on board Qatar Airways flight QR1 to London, operated in conjunction with our codeshare partner, American Airlines and British Airways. We would like to extend a special welcome to our privileged club members and also to the members of the One World Frequent Flyer program traveling with us today. Customers interested in joining our award-winning program may enroll during the flight. This aircraft is equipped with on-air mobile services, enabling you to send and receive messages. Onboard Wi-Fi, sponsored by Oryx, is available for your personal devices. On-air mobile services enabling you to send or receive message facilities will be available shortly after takeoff. Please be informed that smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted anywhere on board this aircraft. In preparation for our departure, we ask you to switch your phones to flight safe mode and ensure that your seatbelt is fastened at this time. We'd like to remind you to keep your personal valuables such as wallets, jewelry, and electronic devices safe at all times. As we consider your safety to be the utmost importance, could you please give your attention to the safety video being screened shortly? We wish you a pleasant flight with Qatar Airways. Thank you.
Welcome aboard this Qatar Airways flight. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. For your comfort and safety, we operate a non-smoking policy on board. Smoke detector are criminal offences punishable by law. The exits and walkways must be kept clear of baggage at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seat in front of you. For safety reasons, with the exception of handheld PEDs in flight mode, the use of electronic devices is not permitted for takeoff and landing. These devices must remain switched off until you are advised by your cabin crew. If by accident you drop your personal electronic device inside the seat, please do not operate the seat control. Instead, contact a member of cabin crew for assistance. Please fasten your seatbelt for takeoff and landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. If you plan to sleep during the flight, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened and visible to cabin crew. The cabin environment is carefully controlled. If oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you, or you may be required to release the mask by pulling on the coloured flag marked Pull. Pulling the mask towards you will activate the oxygen supply. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, adjust the band to secure it, and breathe normally. When your mask is fitted correctly, you may assist others. In the unlikely event of a
نرجو منكم الانتباه إلى عرض تعليمات السلامة على متن هذه الطائرة. لراحتكم وسلامتكم يمنع التدخين منعا باتا على متن جميع رحلاتنا، بما في ذلك التدخين في دورات المياه الذي
during the flight. If you're using a blanket, we kindly ask you to fasten your seatbelt over your blanket so it's visible. We invite you to browse extravaganza. Our in-flight duty-free magazine, which is in your seat pocket. Our in-flight meal service will come in shortly with lunch, followed later in the flight by warm sandwiches. Please refer to your personal menu card for more details. If there's anything that we can do to make your flight more comfortable, please feel free to let us know. An Educated Child is an initiative supported by Qatar Airways that facilitates access to primary education for out-of-school children. There are 58 million children worldwide without access to quality primary education. They live in countries suffering from poverty, discrimination, conflict, or natural disasters. We would be grateful for your support in making a donation to this noble cause by placing your contributions in the envelopes provided in the seat pockets. Please hand over the envelopes to any member of the cabin crew. Thank you.
Coming up north of the city of Brussels, Belgium. We'll be standing at descent in approximately 10 minutes into London Heathrow. The latest weather we received from over there is what we forecasted: some cloudy skies, some light winds from the north, with a temperature of plus 14 degrees Celsius, with some cloudy skies and some light rain. We do expect to be at the gate as per our scheduled time. That's 55 minutes past 5 in the evening, and this all depends on the flow of traffic into London at this time. On behalf of Qatar Airways and rest of the onboard flight crew, we hope you enjoyed this flight with us, and it was a real pleasure having you on board today. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
وسادتي، بالنظر إلى أننا بدأنا في الهبوط، نطلب منكم أن تعودوا إلى مقاعدكم وتتأكدوا من أن أمتعتكم اليدوية مخزنة إما تحت المقعد وإما في الخزائن العلوية، وأن منضدة الصينية مطوية ومثبتة، وظهر المقعد في وضع قائم، وحزام المقعد مربوط بإحكام. شكرا.
As we've now commenced our descent, we require that you return to your seat, ensure that your hand baggage is either restowed beneath your seat or in the overhead lockers, your tray table and seat backs are in the upright position, and your seatbelt is securely fastened. Thank you.
تطبق الشروط التالية: السؤال غير خاضع رسوم الجمركية التي يعملها مسافرون من وجهة خارج الاتحاد الأوروبي على شركة الطيران خارج الاتحاد الأوروبي فقط إذا كانت العقيبة معتمدة من الأمن. كل المشتريات الأخرى غير خاضعة رسوم الجمركية مثل مستحضرات تجميل الصلبة، الشهادة الممتعة من المطارات خلال الرحلة يمكن العبور. يسمح بحمل السؤال غير خاضع رسوم الجمركية بالإضافة إلى قطعة واحدة من أمتعة المقصورة لكل مسافر. يجب أن تحمل كل المواد الأخرى في حق قريبها. وشكرا.
Gentlemen, in European Union security requirements for hand-carried liquids, may we remind our transit customers that the following rules apply. Customers traveling from outside the European Union on a non-European airline are only allowed to carry duty-free liquids when sealed in an authorized security tampered evident bag. Aside from liquids, all other duty-free products, such as solid cosmetics and cigarettes, purchased airside at any airport along your journey can be taken through. Duty-free liquids may be carried in addition to the one piece of cabin baggage that is allowed per customer. All other items must be carried within the hand luggage. Thank you.
As an airline, we don't believe in boundaries. We believe in bringing people together. The world's better that way. It is a right for all of us to go where we need to go, to feel the things we want to feel.
حضرات السادة المسافرين المذهبين رحلات وجهة أخرى، نحن نتمنى لكم رحلة آمنة وممتعة. نأمل أن تكون خطوط جوية قصيرة وخطة سفراتكم مستقبلية إلى أكثر من 50 لدينا حول العالم. يرجى العلم بأن يمكنكم أن تستخدموا تلكم الجوال إذا كنتم ترغبون في ذلك. بالنيابة عن الخطوط الجوية القطرية بالاشتراك مع الشركة البريطانية بريتش ايرويز والخطوط الجوية الأمريكية أمريكان ايرلاينز، حلف العالم الواحد قائد الطيران كابتن رميش كابتن الجوال. السيدة إستانا والسيدة بريا مشاهد خميلة منهج الرحلة، بالإضافة أفاد الطاقم نامل أن تكونوا قد تطالبوا خدمة حائزة عالمية على شركة الدفع العالمية. الخطوط الجوية القصيرة معا إلى كل مكان. شكرا وتابعي معكم.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow Airport Terminal 4, where the local time now is 41 minutes past the hour 5 in the afternoon, and the outside temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you as you leave the aircraft. Also remember that smoking is only permitted in designated areas. You may now use your mobile and electronic devices if you wish to do so. We hope that you will include Qatar Airways in your future travel plans. To book for your next flight, just visit QatarAirways.com. On behalf of Qatar Airways, Codeshare Airlines, American Airlines, and British Airways, the One Word Alliance, Captain Ramesh and First Officer Jawad, and our team of cabin crew, Priya, Ariwan, Wiwat, Shana, Natkrita, Aisha, Mahmoud, Natalia, Akashini, Timothy, Tananya, and Yuwen, we wish you a pleasant stay here in London or a safe onward journey to your final destination. Qatar Airways, going places together. Thank you and have a pleasant afternoon.
This is mainly for your own safety. Thank you.
Cabin crew disarm doors for